The Maple Loop Trail sits in the Highway 20 corridor in the North Cascades. It is on the Methow Valley Ranger District, which is part of the Okanagan-Wenatchee National Forest. Hi, I'm Kelly Barabar. I'm the district botanist on the Methow Valley Ranger District. Some of the guidebooks have said that if you have one day to spend in the North Cascades, to hike the Maple Loop Trail. It's one of the most popular trails because it starts in an old-growth forest and then climbs up through talus slopes and then ends at high subalpine ridges and meadows that are carpeted in wildflowers. It receives 10,000 visitors a year.
My name is Natalie Kruller, and I work as the volunteer and community outreach coordinator in the Methow Valley for the National Forest Foundation. Right now we're working on a project that I'm super excited about. It's the restoration of the Maple Pass Loop. In particular, we selected two spots where there are large alpine heather communities that have been bisected and really impacted by user trails. So we're roping off restoration areas and planting thousands of plants.
So my fortune I could fail.
The logistics for the Maple Loop Restoration Project involved packaging about 2,400 subalpine plants into 1-gallon Ziploc bags, and then putting those Ziploc bags into really durable cardboard boxes. The boxes and other equipment were flown into heather and maple passes.
That boxcar door felt the heat of a summer night, casting shadows on the dirt floor. And I could feel you next to me.
And this is a project that is really the outgrowth of an incredible cooperation between a whole variety of organizations. Of course, there's the National Forest Service, which the NFF works with pretty much exclusively. And on this project, we're also working really closely with the Park Service. The Park Service horticulturist is in fact growing out all the plants that we're putting in the ground here. And we're working with the North Cascades Institute. Oh yeah, we'll rendezvous at the ship spot.
The ship spot, okay.
In the draw.
In the draw.
And bump all our equipment up here.
The other component of this project is to rope and stake areas off for restoration that indicate to visitors where they should and should not walk.
The other awesome thing about this project is all the volunteers that have come out to help us. It's really kind of incredible. Some of those people camped out last night in the snow, in the ice, woke up to our tents covered in over an inch of frosty snow, and got started early this morning planting. So that's a real commitment right there.